This omnidirectional audible warning siren produces a loud sound with an effective range of almost a mile in an unobstructed area. Housing is made of heavy-duty steel and is easily mounted with 4 screws. Designed for a long duty cycle, it is the perfect solution for emergency alerts in industrial environments such as factory buildings, workshops and warehouses. Can be installed to work together with a smoke detector, gas sensor, timer and an anti-theft alarm system. Requires a 110 to 120 volt AC power source.